Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to find a good server in Steal a Brainrot. So in Steal a Brainrot, how to find a good server. So there's two things about good, if you're talking about this. Number one, if you're just trying to play a chill game, you have a lot of stuff, and you want to find a good server that there's not much like pro players, or there's not much if a hard time or like a group of players that are good at the game and try to steal from you. So yeah, that's one of them, and the other one is a good server with a lot of brain rots, a lot of um, stuff, and a lot of um, players that has good stuff. So today I'll be showing you that. So right now, to find a good server, we just start with find a good server with not that much people person. So I suggest a quick tip for you guys: add a friend right here. Let's say just add any person in the game. So, because you might not know, they might have a private server, and you can just go in and out of that private server if you want. So yeah, I suggest that's one of my tips for you guys. Here is try to load more and just go down. There you go. To find like the quietest server, try to look for the a little bit of fewer people. As you can see, I'm not finding much fewer people, but just keep scrolling down, say about for a minute or so, and then after that, I think you'll find a weak players right here. Let's say right here. I think the players right here are not that good in the game, so yeah, we might get a shot of a peaceful playthrough. But right here, this is the only problem is positioned in very long time too. So if you don't want to do that, I suggest click on the create a private server. I'm not gonna make a private server, but I suggest doing this ascending. So click on the first one right here. Oh no, it's a lot of people early on. A lot of people wants to play it safe play, so we're gonna try again. So I'm gonna go here, create private servers, and it's type ascending. But now we're gonna go to 10. Number 10 right here, number 10. There you go. There we go. We got our chill and relaxed game. There's not much of a player. There's not much a level 10, or I mean a level rebirth 11 here. There's only one. It's only me. Oh no, we have another one right there. But yeah, I guess our luck is turning up. There you go. And probably we can steal the brain over there. Yeah, we can steal it. Oh, there you go. There you go. So I percept brain rot right there. Told it. Oh no, got us. Ah, there you go. Anyways, that's how you get a not a pro of a server. Now I'm gonna teach you how to get like a server with a lot. Like I mean a lot, like a lot of good brain rots in there. So there's two ways to do that. Is first way to do that is join during an admin event. Yeah, during an admin event or after the admin event. So I suggest joining them before an admin event, or let's say 1 hour before the admin or the update, and 1 hour after the update, or maybe during the update itself. There'll be a lot of stock players, and there'll be much more players right here. Just click on the button right here, and even though if there's weak bases, you can still get a lot of good stuff in the red carpet. Highly suggest doing that. Wait for the event. As you can see, if you want to know when the event is, just click on here. Just scroll down and you'll see events. As you can see, this one is happy right now. But I didn't mean like event like 1 week, like admin events like for this one. you will see a question mark right here. Click on that. After clicking on that, you will see in the bottom here the next update. As you can see, mine for my estimated time is October 19 at 3 a.m. Saturday. So I suggest join the game at October 19 at 2 a.m. So just 1 hour before or after the admin event, because there'll be a lot of stock players right there. So now, uh, let's get right into it. To get the most amount of brain rots, like there's a lot. Just create a private server. So clicking on that, click on the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 right here. Any of this, let's say it's join this one right here, because there's position about 8 people. Wow, that's a lot of people. So you have to wait. But most of the time, 90% of the time, 90% of the time, those who are right here at the top right here are the players that has a lot of brain rots in their base, the good brain rots that you can steal from. But it's a little bit challenging because they're, of course, good at the game, so they can defend their base very well, and you might lose some brain rots because they might steal from you. So yeah, there you go, guys. So yeah, that's about it. Or you can just do a 50-50 chance right here. Just click on the blue button right here to play. You might get a 50% chance. You might get to a good server. There you go, as you can see. Now this one is a chill server right now. Now just leave, then join again till you get the maximum. I always do the like 5 times only leave and join. If I don't get a good server, I'll just stay with the 5th server that I'm right in. So here's my 3rd one. So mostly this works. There you go, as you can see, it actually worked. Hey, we got ourselves a good play right there. So there you go. Yeah, there you go, guys. So yeah, there's so much gonna trap right there. Oops, up, no. There you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it on the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you, guys.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.